Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Drug Info, and don't forget to subscribe Daily Drug Info to watch new videos. Today I will describe drug generic name Captopril. Overview and indications. Captopril, an angiotensin converting enzyme SE inhibitor, indicated for initial therapy in patients with all degrees of hypertension, and is effective alone or in combination with other antihypertensives. Captopril is approved for treatment of diabetes neuropathy in patients with type 1 insulin-dependent diabetes mellitus with neuropathy, in the management of congestive heart failure, in myocardial infarction to reduce the risk of death and prevent development of congestive heart failure. Doses in adult hypertension. The usual recommended dose is 25 mg 2 or 3 times daily, 1 hour before meal. In congestive heart failure, the usual initial dose is 6.25 mg to 12.5 mg, followed by maintenance dose of 25 mg 3 times daily up to 150 mg per day. In myocardial infarctions, the initial test dose of 6.25 mg is given. If tolerated, initiate therapy with 12.5 mg 3 times daily and titrate to 50 mg 3 times daily over several weeks. In pediatric dosing, hypertension 0.3 mg per kg in 2 or 3 divided doses. In congestive heart failure, 2.5 mg per kg per day in divided doses. Strength available in tablet 25 mg. Patient counseling. Captopril should be taken 1 hour before meal for antihypertensive patients. Previous antihypertensive agent should be withdrawn 1 week before initiating of Captopril. If possible, monitor blood counts, renal functions, and serum potassium. Pregnancy category D. Use in life-threatening emergency when no safer drug is available. Positive evidence of human fetal risk. Adverse effects. Common are cough 0.5 to 2%, edema, gynecomastia, hyperkalemia, hypotension, proteinuria, rash, taste alteration. Serious side effects are angioedema, face, lips, throat, neutropenia, agranulocytosis, rare. Thank you for watching Daily Drug Info.